Welcome to the Hypotenmoose Kitchen. We've got a number of guests here today. It's really awesome. And many of us don't want to really show our faces, so we're just going to stay focused on the table. I want to tell you all before we start, we've got people from grades 3 to grade 9 in this room right now. So lots of people can engage in fractions this way. The first rule I want to say is I'm going to ask questions and you may know the answer to the questions, but I would like you, rather than to shout it out, to instead just tell me that you have something you want to say. And then I'll find the right time for you to say it, because sometimes other people at the table are going to need extra time to think about a question, and they don't want to know that they don't want their thinking to be shut down by someone else shouting out the answer. Does that make sense? Okay, the first thing I want to do is all of us kind of reach in. I think this will be okay. And grab some pieces that are all the same color. So choose a color that you want to grab. Every one of these colors has been cut out of the same size of sheet of paper. Thank you. Yeah. And then we're going to assemble them. They were cut out of a sheet like a piece of computer paper. And so can you assemble them to make them look like they would have been when we cut them out? Now yours, Noah, yours was cut out of 2 different sheets of orange, so let's see what happens there. See if you can make it look like an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper.
I got it now.
Nice. I think Grace needs the rest of the purples.
Oh.
So this is one way to begin this work. Another would be for everyone to be cutting out their pieces, but we're going to begin this way.
I lost a green square.
Oh, let's see. It could be inside my envelope. My green envelope. Oh, do you? Okay, so let's see what we see here. Let's take a look. Right here for Emily. Emily, yours is divided into 4 pieces. Do you know anything about fractions at all?
Nope.
No. Okay, so let's get Sophie to tell you what fraction is represented by your page there.
1/4.
1/4. Can you point to what 1/4 is? Now, 1/4, what does it mean to you, Sophie?
Like a fourth of 100, like 25%.
Oh, okay. Oh, you've got a lot of understanding of that. 25% is the same. So if something is divided into 4 equal pieces, one of them we can call a fourth. Another name of that is a 1/4. Does that make sense to you?
Yeah.
Now that you know that, let's look at Molly's pieces. And hers is divided into how many pieces, Emily?
3.
So Molly, what do you think your pieces are called? Oh, Noah wants to contribute. Go ahead, Noah.
Before it's 1/3, I think.
1/3, yeah. So we have 1/4 in blue, and we have 1/3 in orange. Now, yours is going to be more complicated because you have 2 sheets there. So let's divide it into 2 pieces. Can you divide yours down the middle, Noah? There. So we're just going to look at one of them. And that one that's crossed, has cross marks, we're going to flip it over because that means something special. So if that's just your sheet right there, what fraction have you got, Noah?
1/3, 6.
It is 1/6 because there are 6 equal pieces of the 1 whole. By the way, the 1 whole looks like this, right? Okay, so we can set it on top of yours, on top of Molly's exactly, or on top of yours exactly. Jack, did you assemble anything? Oh, there he did. And let's get Molly to say what Jack's represents.
1/2 and 1/2 equal a whole.
Nice job. Nice number sentence. Sophie, do you want to tell us what yours?
12ths.
They're 12ths. And can you understand why, Emily?
Because there are 12 of them.
Yeah, there are 12 equal pieces, so they are each one is called 1/12. Sophie, could you pick up the equivalent of 5/12? What would 5/12 look like? Awesome. Yeah. So she's now. What's left? What we call what's left on the table?
7ths.
Or 7/12.
7/12.
Yeah. I think see why you'd say it was 7ths. Can we just lay them on top of this, and then we'll see why they are 7/12 of the whole. When you see them by themselves, they could certainly be 7ths, couldn't they? awesome. So that's what 7/12 looks like. If we had, this is interesting because we just made muffins today, and muffin tins come in 12 things. And if we'd made only 7, we would have made 7/12 of what was possible. Okay, let's go over to Grace's purple. What do you think those are, Grace?
9s.
Oh my gosh, I think they might be 9s, but that's because I made an extra piece so that I could do this other problem. So now tell me what they are.
8s.
Thank you. And can you show me what 3/8 would look like? There, so this is interesting. We have a number sentence here. 3/8 plus 5/8. Molly, what do you think that is? 3/8 plus
8/8.
is 8/8, which is?
A whole.
It's a whole. Nice. Is everybody spoken? Everybody's
Yes.
spoken. Okay, so those are the pieces. So that's our introduction to the kit at all kinds of grade levels. So that's been the Hypotenmoose Kitchen. Thank you.